Good morning everyone. Myself Lovepreet Kaur. As you all know, in last class we have discussed about water, uses of water and sources of water from chapter 5, water around us. Okay. In today's class I am going to teach you about water pollution and clean water for drinking and about saving water. Okay. Now let's have a look on water pollution. Means what is water pollution? Do you know the water we drink comes from the rivers near us? Okay, the water we drink comes from the rivers near us. Nowadays many of our rivers are turning dirty because of what we humans do. We wash clothes in the rivers, we bath in the rivers, and we throw garbage and wastage of our homes and factories into the rivers. All these activities makes the water unfit and dirty for drinking. Okay, this is called water pollution. And in simple words, water in rivers and lakes often becomes dirty, and this is called water pollution. Polluted water is harmful for plants, animals and humans. Drinking dirty water or using dirty water in our houses is bad for our health and we can get ill. Okay, we should clean our water before drinking. Here are some methods for cleaning the water. We clean water by various methods such as boiling and filtering. Boiling is a process in which germs present in water are killed by heating water. Okay, means boiling kills the germs present in water. Boiling kills the germs present in water. And filtering. Filtering is a process in which water is cleaned by passing through filter paper. Okay, filtering is a process in which water is cleaned by passing through filter paper. Filtering removes the impurities present in water. Okay, impurities means substances which makes water dirty, and filtering removes the impurity present in water. Now we should remember some points while handling drinking water. Keep drinking water covered. Do not store water in dirty containers, and do not use dirty hands while handling drinking water. And drinking water should be stored in clean place. Okay, and now let's discuss about how to store or save water. Saving water. As we all know, water is very useful. Just imagine a day without water. What are the things you will not able to do without water? So we need to store water because life is impossible without water. It should be used carefully and not wasted. Here are some ways in which you can save water. First one, do not throw garbage into the sources of river. Okay, means do not throw garbage and wastage of your homes and factories into the water bodies like rivers and lakes. Collect rainwater from rooftops in tanks, and water used for washing fruits and vegetables can be reused for watering plants and cleaning floors. Okay, and next one, do not leave the taps open while brushing your teeth and bathing. Okay, do not leave taps open. Use only as much as water you need. Okay, and use a bucket or a mug while bathing instead of using shower. Use buckets of water instead of the hose. Hose means pipe. Okay, use buckets of water instead of the hose or pipe for washing cars and watering plants. Okay, use buckets instead of using pipes. And at the end of the day, if you have left any water in your water bottle, do not throw that water. Pour that water in plants. Okay, this is it for today. So today's homework, read about these topics from your book. Thank you. Have a good day.